game. Not just in mixed martial arts, but in any sport. This is my amazing life.
And this man is my challenge husband.
And I'd say we have a totally normal marriage.